Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best truck caps on Amazon. There are many reasons to buy a truck, but the truck bed is probably one of the most popular. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Tiger Auto Trifold Truck Tonneau Cover. A tonneau cover is an easy way to get the coverage you need without having to add weight or mass to your truck. With the Tiger Auto tonneau cover, you can easily install and manipulate the product, and it won't take too large a chunk out of your savings. Beyond the price, we chose this tonneau cover because it is made of a lightweight aluminum frame and heavy-duty vinyl material. Tiger Auto provides stainless steel clamps for installation, which doesn't require the use of a drill. The entire unit itself only weighs about 38 pounds. Tiger Auto also includes a weather seal strip, so you can make sure the contents of your bed don't get wet. The cover mounts on top of the truck bed rail for a few more inches of clearance, and it comes fully assembled, so all you have to do is install it. Our biggest concern with the Tiger Auto tonneau cover is that you may have to make some adjustments to fit it to your truck's bed. For the best fit, be sure to measure and order the proper tonneau cover size. Number 2. MaxMate RollUp Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Rather than folding up like other models, this tonneau cover from MaxMate curls in on itself to roll up tight for storage or to simply to get it out of the way in order to use the entire truck bed. MaxMate's product is affordable and easy to install, features we know make it easier to get the job done and get on your way. There are a lot of great features we found with this particular tonneau cover. As with many similar products, this cover is made from durable, high-strength vinyl material stretched across an aluminum powder-coated inner framework. The soft vinyl makes for a great polished, sleek look that adds to the overall styling of your truck while still protecting the objects in your truck bed. Velcro strips seal the tonneau cover on each side, which also features an adjustable tension system designed to keep the vinyl covering wrinkle-free and taut. A no-drill installation process and 10-year warranty round out the great features on the MaxMate RollUp Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. One of the drawbacks of this particular design is that Velcro tends to wear quickly over time, especially when faced with the elements. Number 3. Backflip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. While this particular item fits 2019-20 new body-style Dodge Ram 1500s with a 5.7-foot bed, this product fits a variety of different makes, models, and bed sizes. It has aluminum panels with a matte finish that latch when the cover is partially or completely closed. This cover does not cover the third brake light, and you can drive when it is closed, folded, or flipped up. It features a dual-action tailgate seal, so you can close the tailgate when the cover is open or closed. It's sturdy, easy to install, and almost completely waterproof. It's made in the USA and comes with a 5-year warranty. Overall, it's a sleek-looking and versatile product. One downside is that it may be shipped with missing hardware, such as the nut to attach the holding strap or the weather seal. Also, the latches are a little fussy and may fall off. In addition, it may not clip in very easily at the tailgate. Number 4. Lungenesis Trifold Soft Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Lungenesis Trifold Tonneau Cover fits 1999 2007 classic GMC Chevy Sierra Silverado 5.8-foot beds, as well as a variety of other makes and models. It's made of marine-grade vinyl fabric and has a semi-gloss black finish. It features an integrated clip and strap system, and you can drive your truck with it in the open position. Number 5. Bestop Black Diamond Super Top Soft Cover. Bestop combines the versatility of a soft tonneau cover with the height of a hard truck cap in the Black Diamond Super Top Soft Cover. This product features a number of benefits that bring together the most versatile features from both soft and hard truck cap products. Let's take a closer look at what the Super Top Soft Cover has to offer. Bestop makes their soft cover easy to install and operate. Their proprietary attachment system allows for secure mounting with the included clamps. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.